No, thank you very much, sir.
Sorry, I have to push you, but there are a lot of people.
Later on, we have to speak on the Provincial Bar Council as well, Punjab Bar Council. वो बाद में हम करेंगे बाकी सीनियर्स के बाद.
Petition ना allow करे सर.
Please, you.
नहीं, देखिए आपकी जो बातें हैं कि जी एक कंटेम्प्ट लॉ है, एक क्रिमिनल लॉ है, एक सुप्रीम जुडिशियल काउंसिल है, चौथी बात इन्वेस्टिगेशन है. ये अब कोई लोग इनसे डिसएग्री करें, कोई हम लंबी लंबी तकरीरें सुनने नहीं बैठे हुए.
बस यही है सर.
बस ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट आ
मैंने तो सर कोर्ट का टाइम बचा है.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट आ जाए.
Thank you,
आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज जो है वो काम करे जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट नहीं कर सकती है. दैट इज व्हाट यू आर सजेस्टिंग.
हम सजेस्ट करेंगे.
रियलिटी बहुत डिफरेंट है. द रियलिटी इज वेरी डिफरेंट. वी ऑल नो व्हाट इज द रियलिटी.
निकालें. आपका नंबर क्या है?
आप हाई कोर्ट्स की रिपोर्ट्स तो देखें. वो सारे जजेस हैं.
ये दे.
वो गलत नहीं कह सकते. आप जिस तरह भून साहब ने कहा है उसको देख के हो सकता है आपका व्यू चेंज हो जाए.
जी, व्हाट नंबर आर यू फाइल?
398 I've been told.
398
CMA 398 of 2024.
जो अभी दी आपने?
जी मैंने आज ही दिया.
आपने तो हाई कोर्ट के देख लिए ना.
Do you want to read it or you want to?
But I'll be reading it out. But before that, may I very humbly request all the honorable judges here.
Not to interrupt you.
No, my lord, I am
Can I make
more
a
than
request
happy
on
to
your
have
behalf?
interruptions. What I'm requesting here is that when we say on live TV, which the whole nation is watching, that the Supreme Court was complicit, or for that matter that the judges were compromised, the Superior Court judges were compromised, we are not sending a good message. And these hearing, and what happened in the last state of hearing is actually eroding public trust. And this trust
Hearing is eroding public trust.
my lord, what was said in the hearing on the last date, and I'll be pointing it out when I read from
President Saab, who are we answerable to?
My lord, we are answerable to firstly to Almighty Allah,
सुन लें.
and then to any other.
सुन लें.
Let him complete it. Please, otherwise we'll be hurted.
आपने कह दिया ना. देखें प्रेसिडेंट साहब, हमने 76 साल झूठ बोला है, सच को छुपाया है, जिससे हमारी क्रेडिबिलिटी बिल्कुल इरोड है. पीपल डू नॉट
आप sorry to say I have to interrupt. Please proceed with your
So
case.
grateful, sir.
People
So
must know the truth.
Yes, my lord.
Don't be afraid of that.
My lord, the truth should come from somewhere else. If you're sitting here and you're actually accepting that you were complicit,
Then you have no business to sit here.
What is the answer?
Then why don't you say you have no
Yes.
business to sit here?
So let me
I mean,
first.
sorry, I will put it very bluntly.
Yes,
If you are complicit, don't sit here.
Let me start.
Go home.
Let me start. From
आगे बढ़े.
let me start. I'll read. I'll read. Let's not, my lords. Let's not enter into a debate
It is
here.
not I that I have said it. It is the Attorney General who said it.
Everybody
And
said it.
in the High
My
Court.
lord, it is.
Yes.
It is so recorded
there
in the
was
High Court's
complicit.
comments.
But in the High Court
let's
there
start
were
from here.
judges.
My lord, let me start from here. I very humbly draw my lord's attention to para G at page 5 of the CMA. I'll read that first and then I'll start. It is deeply concerning to note that the judgment dated April 29, 2024 by a judge of the Islamabad High Court, which explicitly stated, and I quote, "The letter is not in the nature of a complaint, as the SGC has no mandate to investigate the actions of intelligence operatives, and was also not a communication meant for public consumption. It was a confidential intra-institutional correspondence that got leaked to the media and has attracted public debate." This was recently said by an honorable judge of the Islamabad High Court.
Who said it?
My Lord Justice Babar Sartar. I was not actually happy to name someone. It is surprising that this judge, a signatory to the said letter, claims it was meant to be confidential. An urgent inquiry is necessary to determine how the letter was publicized without first being addressed to the chairman and members of the Supreme Judicial Council. The individual responsible for its leakage must be identified and held accountable. So, my lord, I take your lordships back. I will start reading from paragraph 5 of the CMA that I filed. The Constitution of Pakistan, I hope my lords are there.
Paragraph.
Para 5, page 2 of the CMA, sir. The Constitution of Pakistan entrusts the judiciary with the sacred duty of upholding justice free from external influences. This principle is fundamental not only to the administration of justice, but also to maintaining the balance of power within the state. It is imperative that judicial independence be safeguarded at all costs to ensure a just and equitable society. The Supreme Court Bar Association of Pakistan reiterates that any attempts by other branches of the government to undermine this independence are unconstitutional and detrimental to the rule of law. In the light of recent events, the Supreme Court Bar urges the Supreme Court to reassert its constitutional authority and to ensure that mechanisms are in place to prevent any form of coercion or undue influence from state agencies. The judiciary must operate without any direct or indirect pressure that could compromise its impartiality. This includes, but is not limited to, inappropriate communications, threats, or any other forms of interference in the due process of law and judicial decision-making. Furthermore, the Supreme Court Bar advocates for the enactment of stricter laws and regulations that penalizes interferences in judicial matters. These should be designed to protect judges from pressure that can arise from other branches of the government or from within their own ranks. Ensuring that judges are able to perform their duties without fear of retribution is crucial for maintaining public confidence